So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be giving you guys my everyday no foundation makeup routine. Basically, this is going to be really easy and really quick because usually it takes me about 8 to 10 minutes to do this. I basically just, you'll see. So let's just get into it because honestly, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't really know, the lingua, the makeup lingua and all that stuff. But this is my main product. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in toffee. This is very close to my skin tone, but I use it as a highlight shade, to be honest. I don't like my highlight being too bright. Well, sometimes. Other times I actually do like it bright. But honestly, with this look, you could go lighter if you'd like, but for me, I'm perfectly fine with this. So I use this to conceal my under eye, basically. And I also have this other concealer. It's the Milani Perfect Conceal, I think. And this is in the shade 170 Warm Almond or something. Oh, sorry. I could also use this as well. I mean, on its own. They are pretty much the same shade, if I'm being honest. But I use this under my eyes. The thing is, we're not using foundation. So I do have like, discoloration, here and there. So I'm just going to use this to like conceal where I feel like needs a bit of work. You guys, this is so easy. And when I even have this look on, you can't tell. You basically can't tell that I have this look on because it looks like I have a full face of foundation, but I actually do not. So I basically blend this out as I would normally do so. Do you guys see how this blends into my skin? It does. And one thing that I noticed when I started doing this, you could tell the difference between where I concealed and the other parts of my skin that doesn't have any product. But I'm going to teach you guys how to hide that, basically. I try to not spread the product around because it's a concealer and it's still not your skin tone, so you don't want a situation whereby you're spreading concealer all over your face, except the concealer is your exact skin tone, which this is not my exact skin tone. This is just, one shade lighter. I also drag the concealer upwards to my eyes because that way it helps like blend in the skin tone and all that. Okay, so I'm still going to set this with why is this so difficult? I'm still going to set this with my setting powder as per usual. And yeah, this is a translucent setting powder. I'm not going to leave this on for so long. I'm going to go in with basically my third product, and this is by MAC, and this is their Dark Deep. I'm just going to put that all over the areas that I didn't apply any product. You see? Put this all over. I know I look crazy right now, but don't worry, you guys, it'll come together. You could use any brand of face powder of your choice. Now for my brows. I use this ratchet ass looking pencil, so I'm just going to fill up my brows. I'm using this pencil that I usually get from the beauty supply store, so use whatever pencil that you like. So I clean them up as well because they're drawn, but I ain't perfect, so I have to like clean them up, and I clean them up with the same concealer, just slightly. I don't know if I'm the only one. Do you guys remember the LA Girl Pro Concealer? This thing is empty and completely dried out, but I am so used to using like the brush on it to do my concealer, especially my brows, that I just have the empty thing to do my brows. This is so ratchet, I know, but there are no rules to makeup, at least in my world, so brows piss me off, I swear, because one will be perfect, the other will just be doing its own thing, and I'm just like, why can't both of you just be in sync? Like, have a communication, like, listen, I am doing good, this is what I'm doing, I think you should do this too. That kind of communication will make my life easy. By the way, the brushes I'm actually using for today is from Deluxe Hues. I'm going to link it below. They don't have numbers or names, so I just have like their, I think it's their 8 set pack, 8 or 10. See, I'll put everything in the description box just in case you're in the area and you want to get a nice affordable set of makeup brushes. Let's bronze because we still have to put the face together. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Glow Matte Bronzer in dark. So for shadow, which I normally do not indulge in, so I'm going to take this eyeshadow. This is the Jackie Aina X Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. I'm going to take I'm going to take ginger, which is just like the nude beige or whatever type of shade. I just go over my lid with it, like everywhere. I don't do too much. I'm going to use mascara. After this, you can go ahead and wear lashes, but honestly, I'm not going to. An additional thing that I do that you don't need is liner. I like to give myself like a beauty spot with most of my makeup, so I just do one here and I do another one here. That's cute, no? And then I also like to line my, like the outer part of my eyes. Why I do this after I've applied my mascara is because whatever mistake that I make with my mascara, this just helps me cover it up. So that's why I do this after I apply my mascara. I like to use the tip of the mascara to just, you know. I'm going to go in with my setting spray. This is the MAC Fix Plus. Why did I say it like that? Like everyone and their mother does not use MAC Fix Plus. But yeah. Oh, just going to lock all of this in place. Whenever I'm doing a look like this, I like the look to be dewy, glowy, shining, because, you know, we're trying to let people know that our skin is popping or whatever. I like to use like a highlighter that isn't too bright. So I prefer to go with this one. This one is a Milani Strobe Light, and this is the shade 04. Yeah. Typically, I would take like a thinner brush or a smaller brush and just like do the thing. But then because we're trying to be glowy and all that, I'm just going to take a bit of, like, I'll use this brush and then I'll just like put this all over, you know? Just so I glow from within. I put it on my forehead, put it on my chin, because you gotta glow, okay? There's nothing else that I'd rather use than lip gloss on my lips. This is from Trend It Up. This is their High Shine lip gloss. It's a clear one, but because I always mix my lip gloss with like either like a nude shade or a pinky shade, like kind of transferred into it. But yeah, I just go with this. So this is basically all I do when I feel like I don't want to have like a heavy makeup, but just something light to, you know, go out with. And I don't want to wear foundation because probably maybe might be too hot, or I'm just not in the mood to have like something heavy on my face. This is exactly what I do, and it is perfect. As you guys can see, this is the most easiest and simplest look that you would ever find on the internet. This took me about, well, let me check my time, less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, you guys. Less than 10 minutes. That's how this took me to get this done. So this is like a quick, easy to go look for you. If you're not subscribed to my channel, maybe this might be the first time you're seeing my face, go ahead and subscribe below. Turn on your post notification bells so you can get notified whenever I post a video. Follow me on Instagram. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below, as well as how you can purchase this makeup brushes. I'm going to leave everything in the description. Just go ahead and find it there. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video with whoever that you feel like might also be interested in watching a video like this. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.